Hello from Farland. Yeah, I'm changing. It's not all done yet. I'm changing the color of these trim pieces. That other color was just making me itchy. It was just too wild. So it had to go. Boy, a whole lot of stuff going on and all scattered around. So I guess I'll pick up the camera and bring you around and show you what's going on. Yeah, I got all the plastering done and I've stained it. It's a a light gray stone, it says, but whoopsie. Sorry about that. Hopefully someday that's going to say Farland Hal. If you follow me on Facebook, Farland Hal, you've seen that. I ran out of flowers and I didn't get the E. There's no E on How, just H-O-W. How in the heck am I going to finish that? So I got the road all cleaned up. It was a mess. Well, not all the way. It looks like there's still some debris. I can't put the buildings back over here yet because I need to condition this area. I'll probably just paint it black and have it asphalt, which works pretty good. You can't see them very well from here. I'll take you around to the other side. Ed, I have the guardrails in. I need some guardrails over here, but of course the castle's going over here, so I guess I could put some temporary guardrails up there. That might be better. I think there'll be some sort of guardrail or wall or fencing or something along this side. So the problem with not having guardrails on these Fowler vehicles is they have a tendency to wander off and fall off wherever they are. So you've got to have guides. And of course you saw the fencing over here on the last time we were together. There'll be more fencing, except it'll run along the top of this. And I want to put a ladder down here. That's not a ladder, that's stairs. I want stairs there. I was in the process of coloring these on a little platform up here somewhere. And oops. See, it's not really ready for prime time, is it? Anyway, that's what's going on there. And if we look over here very carefully, see if I can zoom in, we have guardrails. They come with the Fowler kit, and I drilled them and put them in. Seemed to work pretty well. I got started putting some fencing here. This is the kind of fencing I want, but I need to get the rest of the grass. And then before I do that, I want to get the tombstones, all the burial stones in. I need a little sidewalk over here. There's so much to do. No, haven't done that yet. Oh, over here. That's something I have done. Put a link in the bottom. And that stuff, man, that is great stuff. It assembles pretty quick and it's pretty easy to cut up and fit in so that, you know, you've got backyard fencing there. There's a hole in it right here. I don't know if you can see that or not. Put my finger behind it, I bet you can. Yeah. I want a dog's head sticking out there, you know, mean dog. Well, maybe not a mean dog, maybe a nice dog. Maybe everybody wants to go back there and pet it. I don't know, but there's going to be a dog sticking out. I guess I could put this back now. Since I'm done with that. I love that old footbridge. Not much going on there, just the usual stuff. People going here, people going there. Okay, well, you know. Oh, better turn the lights on. Yeah, better turn the lights on. It always looks better with the lights on. Cardinal rule when you're shooting your model railway, turn on the lights. If you got any lights, turn them on. It makes it sparkle. Speaking of lights, oh yeah, I got a lot of cars. I got a bunch of cars. All different kinds of cars. I need some cars for this new. Here we got a garbage truck. A rubbish truck. And a convertible. Morris convertible. Yeah, that rocks. Wouldn't you like to have one of those? But, well, yeah, something has actually changed. That signal right there. This one here. Let's get him centered better. That one there is new, along with its support. And you know that one because we've used that one in videos as a guide when I did the cab ride. That little jewel, I bet you I didn't spend more than $4 to make that whole thing, and it's all said and done. Maybe six, I don't know, because I don't know how much that kit cost, but it wasn't much. But the rest of it was virtually free. Not quite free, but almost, including the signal itself. Here comes the 31. Oh, that's a blue on the track right there, isn't it? That's about all we got time for today. So bye from Farland.